Hello, expert. Guess what? Today we are going to do business on the street. As part of Easter celebration, we decided to get to the street to assist a random street hawker to sell or to make business on the street. We want to know the stress and the challenges they go through before making a living. And so make sure you watch this video to the end because we are going to assess these people together. So let's get right into the video. Here is Auntie Gifty who agreed we assist her on the street. She was the first person we met, and when we talked to her, we want to assist her to sell on the street. She agreed. So guys, follow me as I move from one bus to the other and see how people patronize or behaves when they see street hawkers selling or trying to sell to them. expert, at this point I can tell these people are going through hard time on the street to make a living. And so let's try as much as possible. Anytime they are selling to us and we need to buy from them to support their business. It is not easy to be on the street, or it's not easy to be in the sun for this number of hours in order to make a living. Buying from them is a way of supporting their business.
It's not easy to be on the street to sell but you have to really press on them before they buy, so it's not easy to sell on the street. So let's try and give them all the support they need when they're on the street. Please, if you need to buy from them.
Hello experts, I hope with this short video you understand what our mothers and aunties go through on the streets every day to make a living. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Which aspect of the video do you like most in the comment section? And also, if you want to support Auntie Gifty's business, you can also message me. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up by liking this video, and if you haven't subscribed yet, you can also subscribe to support the channel. I'm gonna see you in my next video very soon. Bye.